4-wheel?
I think so.
We're at the entrance to Waipio Valley.
Where's kind of Noah?
She's in there.
You see her?
Yeah, I'm in 4-wheel now.
This is such a gnarly road, you have to be in 4-wheel drive. You have to have 4-wheel drive.
What's up, sexy mama? We'll give you a free ride.
She wants a free ride. Gotta unlock the door. Free ride.
Oh, free ride. Mahalo. I think that's how
This
they
is
say
the
it.
beach.
I think I'm in 4.
It should tell. Is it turned? You turn the knob before.
Oh
the
yeah, 4. Yeah. The
And
little.
then just put on low. You're
And
in
all the way
low.
L1.
Yeah.
Yep.
Look, I see that. So cool.
So cool.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Love it. It's
They
beautiful.
just had to Photoshop those houses out.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
We are on a steep road. Very steep.
You say it's one of the steepest roads in the
Yep.
Oh.
It's got a 28% grade, meaning that it drops every 100 feet 28, or every 100 feet it drops 28 feet.
Oh my God, there's a driveway off. That's where the house is. That's how you go to the house.
Well, that's up to the. You want to go that way?
No.
No, let's go down. Yeah, let's go have some food.
Great.
No, that's just the tires gripping.
Love it.
Yeah.
It's a nice sound.
Yeah, you guys are into off-roading and guns, right?
Pretty much.
That's awesome.
Now that I got my new leaf springs, I might be able to.
You should ask them how to make sure your thing is engaged in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, it got fixed.
Oh.
When I went on vacation to Oregon, I had that girl stay at my house with a 3-year-old daughter.
Uh-huh.
Her dad fixes cars, and she got it stuck on 4-wheel drive or second 2-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
4-wheel drive was beeping down in Kalapana. And she got stuck in the sands at one of those little tiny little.
Oh my God.
I know, dumb, huh? And
This is new?
Yeah.
she had to drive up Ainaloa in 4-wheel drive.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, but her dad came over and fixed it in like garage or outside of the house. It works. Because I get stuck in the mud in my driveway,
Yeah, I bet.
so I have to.
You put it in 4-wheel drive to get up your driveway sometimes.
Just a little. There's a spot where I can turn around in the front that is soft. Yeah, and I'll spin. That's cool. That vine that was left. Dengue fever. Woohoo.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about dengue fever in Puna anymore because all the acid rain is making it so there's so much less mosquitoes. I am so amazed. Like how?
Where you are, not our house.
Oh, okay. Well, there's like no mosquitoes.
They migrated. They migrated to Hawaiian beaches and unbothered.
Do it.
Yeah, because you know how they, you know how they lay their eggs in the pond,
middle,
in the
come on.
puddles.
Yeah.
Don't worry. She's not that mean.
I almost was.
Yeah. She's all turning her back. She's, "Oh."
Don't worry, you're getting to the beach.
That's what I did down at Bayfront. I was like, I'm going to the big puddle.
Yeah.
I'm going to the middle. Like, it's not my car.
Pretty much. I love
God,
that.
look at these two.
It's not my car.
Uh-oh, that's dangerous, staying by the mud.
Yeah. They're trusting. They're too trusting.
I know. Stop and let us go by so that they don't splash you. Oh well, they
I got it
didn't
on
stop.
camera. I got it on camera.
Oh, yeah?
Do it.
I don't know if you can get enough speed. It's so bumpy here.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah, you might want to stop. I got bounced back here.
What did you see
Oh shit, I took it off. I didn't think I needed it. Oh god, what if we rolled? I would have died.
Nah, I've been in rolls and
I fallen
I
out
was like
the
the only
window.
one that wasn't hurt.
Have your seatbelt on.
Yeah, because I didn't have my seatbelt
But you
on.
bounced.
No, the car just turned like around us. That was in the middle though. But the car flipped over so fast that when it was upside down,
shit.
I was like still
In your seat.
in my upright position, still holding my cup on me. So then it landed upside down, and it's just me sitting on the ceiling. Everybody's buckled in, like yelling. "Oh!"
Push my buttons.
So I had to, I had to
It's a
like
horse.
start clicking
Is the
buttons.
horse loose?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the feral horses.
Did you see one?
Oh my god,
Yeah,
those
it's right
aren't the
there.
ones that are starving, are they?
Where are we gonna park and
shit.
Over this way.
As close
The
possible
better.
to where we
To the
can.
river?
Yeah, close to the river is nice. So we're down at the beach at Waipio.
So pretty.
Looking good. Beautiful day.
Yeah, I got a nice deep front air.
Wet brakes? You got wet brakes? He's asking you.
What?
Wet brakes? Question mark? Test your brakes before going uphill.
How do I test my brakes?
Well, we gotta get out and crawl under there and
Hey, where?
blow on them a little bit.
Oh, shut up.
So here we got a warning sign, but it's so muddy and so messed up. Yeah, give him a little bit of space.
He's looking back at us, giving us the highlight.
Give him a little bit of space.
Yeah, you'll come
So it's 4-wheel drive only. And we're going up.
where we think Andy is.
Should I go now?
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's probably good. And the thing is, you just want to keep your momentum. Keep your memento on the momentum. And look, there's blue skies.
It's now ready for the second wind.
This thing has a lot of power. I think we'll be okay.
It does, huh?
Oh yeah,
Nice.
we got plenty of traction. It's just you want to definitely just keep
Oh,
the
God, we got
oh
traffic
no.
here.
So stop right here.
Then. We're gonna put the mirrors in and be like, are you
Everybody
fucking
seems
serious?
to be stuck on this hill in Waipio.
Okay.
So we're gonna try to just run them and hopefully
Oh, God, look
we
at
don't get stuck.
Is he gonna make it?
Yeah, we're all gonna make it.
Keep going.
Oh my God.
Oh wait.
Nope, stay Andy. Wait a
You
little
should have
bit.
backed up while we had the chance.
Why didn't the guy go back?
No, we're all gonna make it. They're just talking. So they're
I
just
can't pull the
talking.
mirrors in.
It's the neighbors. They're just talking. They're just having a chat.
Don't look like they're having just a chat.
Or
No,
there might
he's
be
probably-
a fight. There
he's
might
probably
be a
telling
fight.
them, yeah.
But here we're on a crazy road.
I'm running
Do it.
them.
Oh,
Yeah, we got this.
you can do it. You can do it. Gabe, tell her how much clearance she has on the right.
Okay.
I can feel
her
it.
out. Help her out. Oh yeah, the car.
She is one with the vehicle. She is one with the vehicle.
It's a rental.
They have a rental.
No, no. I think you're good.
Dotson went down, or that smaller truck.
I think right about here.
Yeah. That would suck all the way up here, and it went. Boop, 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 boop.
Not be good to get caught in the rain here, right?
Almost there. He said,
And these guys are just starting.
With his coffee.
"Get out of the road. You won't make it back."
Turn around. Don't do it.
Good service.
It's cool. Just wait a second. He's getting out of 4-wheel drive. You should too.
I am. I'm
Okay.
gonna pull up a little bit for a while.
Yeah. You guys want to go to the bathroom?
I did already.
Yeah, I had my pants on the way up.
Oh.
Shit.
He went poop in his pants.
I took a picture of it.